twitch. To make a sudden, small, quick movement, especially of a muscle or part of the body. I don't know why, but my eye keeps twitching. My finger was twitching on its own. Smudge. A dirty or blurry mark made by rubbing or spreading something. To make something blurred or dirty by rubbing. There is a smudge on your glasses. You should clean them. There is a little smudge on your t-shirt. Don't touch the window, you'll smudge it. Palpitate. To beat or throb rapidly, strongly, or irregularly, especially the heart. His heart was palpitating because he was so nervous. He went to the doctor because his heart had been palpitating. Plagiarize. To copy someone else's words, ideas, or work and present them as your own without giving proper credit. Did you plagiarize this recipe from somewhere? I didn't plagiarize this essay, I wrote it myself. Divulge. To reveal or share information that is private, secret, or not supposed to be known. Please don't divulge this information to anyone else. He accidentally divulged some personal information during the interview. Fatality. A death caused by an accident, disaster, disease, or other event. There was a fatality in the accident, according to police. There were no fatalities, but several people were injured. Wag. To move something from side to side repeatedly, especially a tail, finger, or head. The puppy was wagging its tail with excitement. Don't wag your finger at me like that. Hectic. Very busy, full of activity, and often stressful or difficult to manage. It was a hectic day, and I didn't get time to relax. Sorry, I couldn't call you, my day was hectic. Conceited. Too proud of yourself and your abilities or appearance, and you think you are better or more important than you really are. He became more conceited after he got famous. He's so conceited, he thinks he is better than everyone else. Numerous. Many or a large number of something. There are numerous people waiting outside. There are numerous reasons why I don't want to go. Infirm. Weak or unhealthy, especially because of old age or illness. My grandfather has become infirm with age. The government has introduced a new scheme to support infirm and elderly citizens. Exclude. To leave someone or something out, or not include them or it. Don't exclude him, just because he is new. Why did you exclude me from the group? Downhearted. Feeling sad, discouraged, or disappointed, especially because something hasn't gone the way you hoped. He was a little downhearted after losing the match. I know, you are feeling downhearted, but don't give up. Clamorous. Very noisy and loud, especially when many people or things are making noise at the same time. A clamorous crowd gathered outside the stadium. The streets were clamorous with traffic and people shouting. Frisk. To search someone's body or clothing by touching them, usually to check for weapons or something hidden. The guard frisked me and checked my bag. I was frisked at the airport security checkpoint. Saturate. To fill a place or market with too much of something. The internet is saturated with ads these days. The market is saturated with cheap smartphones. Saturate. To fill something completely, or make it completely soaked or full. The soil is already saturated, so don't water the plants. The rain completely saturated my jacket.